Now we will use methods of string, and we will reverse the string. So class, let's create a class str string ref, okay, and then close it, then public static you are given a string s equal to hi, this is Arma, and you have to reverse it and display the output. There are some interview questions, and if you are preparing for placements, you need to see to it, you need to understand the concepts. Like they ask for string, reversing a string, or if you have the this array string, and they will say to you have to reverse and write this Arma is this high. So how you will do it? Now I have two methods, that is, one is caret method and one is str method, to char array method. In this video I will show you reversing the string using char array method. So I will take a char array ch, that will, now I have taken the string as s, so s dot to char array, so it will store the string into array of characters. Okay, now what if we have to reverse the character, reverse the string? So we will use for loop. For loop is very important. I equal to 0, I should be less than char length, and I should be plus plus. Okay, now let's say we need to reverse, so take one array char j, and here the declaration of a string char, that is, let's take the input variable n equal to ch dot length, so it will store the length of the array. Don't confuse between this. It's for measuring the size of a string, and it's for measuring the size of array. So I will write n here. Now the same procedure what we used in the reversing the array, we will use it here. So what is happening here, we have a character array which have the string, and we have a empty array where we will store the reverse of array. So at arj I, we will use we will make int val equal to the last element of the array, this one, and here we will store ch val k, and we will do decreasing it. Now let's save it. It has been saved. Now you would have seen that in a program, wait a second, print array, here we have created a for each method where we are okay. Now we have to compile it again. What it is saying, sorry. Now it's okay. So we will use it. Let's see, we will use it, and I will show you the difference between the two methods. This one and this one, char int. Okay, print array compiled. Now it's done for compiling. String ref.java. I think some closing and unclosing is what it is saying. Okay, class should be in lowercase. It's compiled, but it won't print anything as we have not used any system or .order print or anything else. So let's call this method print array dot print char, and then I will provide the name of array, that is this, and it will show the output. So what it is doing, you can see that what it is doing, it has taken Amra, Z, reversed it, Shehit and IH. So now let's do one thing. So now I will show you one thing, that what will happen if we use caret method. So let's use it like instead of using this, we will use the char method. We'll copy it, paste it, new char, and here let's say char should be s.length. Okay, so now we need to insert every element in the char array. So I will copy it, I will paste it. You can do directly to you can take input directly to the in reverse order also, but for basic level programming we should understand by this concept only. So what we will do, we will insert every element caret I is equal to, so its name of the string is s dot char at, let's see, we will say I. So now it will store at 0, it will store h, and the process will go on. Okay, so this will happen. Now let's print the array here, the array that is char array. Copy, paste, change it to ch. Now wait a second. So in first, when we stored the array, when we stored the string value in array, it displayed us this: hi, this is Arma. Then what happened, A came at first place, M came at second, R came at third, and A came at fourth, and this goes until the array becomes empty. So in this way we can reverse the array. Now I have used this null literal new line way, so it's displaying in some discrete form. You can make it compact also. So now it's being done. Now suppose we have to make the this type of method. So what we will do, let's do one thing, let's leave it, we should use another program. Okay, I was about to show you something, like I used print char, then it displayed the array. Now I will use print array dot print char int, and that is ch. Wait a second, one more thing I have to do is will display every character position. Why it's happening? Print new line, it should print now. Copy it, paste it. So we can see that from A, if you would have seen that at A it's start at 104, and if capital A is there, it will start at 65. So it will go from 65 to you can say 26 letters 90. Okay, so from if you are printing capital letters, so it will go for 65 to 90. Let me write here A to Z, 65 to 90. Okay, and if A to Z, it will go to 97 to 122. So it will be the answer. Okay, so this will be the correct one. From 97 to 120 it's displaying. Now in similar way you can use make method like okay, what you can say, float, for char, for double, for string array, you can make it. Now what we will do, we will use the operation for this, but instead of using it in main method, I want to make a different method, that is public static void split reverse, and here I will pass the string array. Now we will take string here. Okay, so it will take the string array, and what it will print, see, now I will use string array equal to str dot split. There we have used comma, here we will use new line or space whenever string, hi, this is Harman. So whenever a string will find that there is a space, it will break it and put it in the array at specific index. So let's see, okay, so let's print the array. Okay, and for that we will use for each loop. Wait a second, let me define it here. We will write the code every time. Copy, paste it, print str. Okay, string array, and here string a array, and it will print a. Now let's compile the previous print array, that is okay, so it's gone. Now print array compiled. Now we will use string reverse, string strs. Okay, now we don't need to use for each loop. Print array and then dot print str, and I will write array here. Okay, done. And let me call it here, that is split and the name of a string, original string is s. So this is the actual parameter and this is the formal parameter. Whenever we declare a formal parameter, it gets a copy of the string. So whenever I put it here s, so what will happen, string class will copy the s. So now the str s has the same value as s. So print it, use it, how it's working, there won't be any error. So let me make a difference so that you can recognize it. See, the array came to this split array. Now what we need to do is we have to show that hi, this is Arma into form of Arma, this is hi. So what I will do, I will create a string array, okay, equal to new, and here I will write. Now I will take int n. Now tell me that what should I use, add dot length or add dot length with brackets. We will use add dot length because we are operating with here with the array, not with string. So we are working on both, but right now we are working on string array. So what we did is we taken the string array. Now we will write n here, so it will create a string array with size n. Now make it for int I equals 0, I should be less than n and I will be plus plus. Add array, no, reverse div array at I, you will get you've given it. Now let's do one thing, print a new line here and then no need of this. print str. Okay, so now it will print. Now I will write in there. Okay, wait a second. After this, we are working on different methods. So let's see. We have to make the definition for using. So now I have done a mistake here, but from the mistakes we need to learn that what is happening here. I have given the array hi, this is Arma. It should print hi, this is Arma, this Arma is this hi, but it's printing Arma is null. So null, what is null? Null is the default value. I will display one more example using for a string, where you will get the basic knowledge of how and what default value it is storing. So now let me do one thing. Int vals equal to n minus 1, because from the last index it will store the value in the new array. So now vals, just remove it, vals. Now sorry, vals. Okay, so done. Yeah, what is okay, now done. See, the output is in front of you. You have seen I have given the array this, string this, and it's showing me the name like this. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's see a class with strop, that is string operations. Put it here, public static void main string a. Now I will declare string s equal to new int, and I will give the size to 7. Okay, now I will declare count for how many times it will print. The print has been done, so I will use count, and I am not using here for each loop because I have to show the count also. So for int I equals 0, I should be less than s, I plus plus. Okay, and it will display the array elements. I have declared the array, initialized the array. No, I didn't initialized it. I've just declared the array. But what will happen? You see it yourself. So you are able to see here that there it has printed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I have created an array of size 7, you can see it here, and I did not initialized it. So what it happened, the default value of int, that is 0, has been inserted in all the element at specific index, and we added the count, so it will display the count, that how many times it iterated and displayed the value of count, so that is 7. So we can see here from here that when if you want initialize the array, it will initialize itself with the default value. If I would have used string, then it would have null. Okay, and if we used boolean, then it would have used false to initialize itself by putting the default value. So this is the program, and we have worked on many operations of string in this video, and this video is getting longer, so you people might get bored. So I will stop this video here, and I will start a new video you taking the new concepts, or like maximum or minimum in an array, or finding an element in an array. So I will display these things in the next videos. So thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please like it and comment it, and if you want to get updates, then you subscribe my channel and click the bell button, so you will get notified whenever I will upload the videos. So thanks for watching this video from Java Graduates. Thank you.